Greetings, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to The Big Sweep. We're your go-to channel for all things dishwasher and beyond. Today, we're all about why my dishwasher hates me, how to make it love me again. This amazing kitchen appliance can save us time and make our lives so much easier if we take the time to take care of it. But are we returning the favor? Too often, we make mistakes that shorten the life of our dishwashers without knowing it. It's time to stop abusing your dishwasher. Together, let's all learn how to treat these kitchen heroes the right way. Your dishes will sparkle, and your wallet will thank you for it. Before we get started, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to The Big Sweep. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss any tips on keeping your home running more smoothly. Let us know in the comments below which bad habit you think you need to change in order to help your dishwasher love you again. Now, are you ready to become a dishwasher whisperer? Let's jump right in. A well-maintained dishwasher is a thing of beauty. It cleans like a champ, lasts for years, and saves you money on repairs. Plus, who wants to deal with a stinky, dirty, broken-down dishwasher? Taking care of your dishwasher is easier than you think. A few simple changes can make a world of difference. Trust me, your dishwasher and your dishes will thank you. So, let's get down to business and show you how to banish those bad dishwasher habits. We've all been there. After a long day, the last thing you want to do is spend more time in the kitchen. You're exhausted, and the couch is calling your name. You're tired. You just want to relax. And the thought of meticulously cleaning each dish feels like an insurmountable task. So you toss those crusty dishes into the dishwasher without a second thought. You think, the dishwasher will handle it. Sound familiar? It's a common scenario in many households. Here are some common dishwasher crimes we're all guilty of. The overstuffer, the pre-wash slacker, the soap slob, and the filter forgetter. Let's break them down. The overstuffer, cramming in every last dish and blocking the spray arms. You think you're saving time and energy, but you're actually preventing the water jets from reaching all of the dishes. This means some of the dishes will come out just as dirty as they went in, and you'll have to either put them back in for the next wash or wash them by hand in the sink. The pre-wash slacker, skipping the pre-rinse and leaving food chunks behind. You might believe that modern dishwashers can handle anything, but large food particles can clog the machine and reduce its efficiency. The soap slob, using too much detergent or the wrong type of detergent and creating a sudsy mess. More soap doesn't mean cleaner dishes. In fact, it can lead to residue on your dishes and even damage your dishwasher over time. The filter forgetter, ignoring the filter and letting grime build up on it. The filter is there to catch food particles and prevent them from being redeposited on your dishes or clogging other parts of the dishwasher, like the spray arms and drain hose. A dirty filter means dirty water, which means dirty dishes and dirty dishwasher. Recognize any of these bad boys? It's easy to fall into these habits, especially when you're tired or in a rush, but these small mistakes can add up over time, leading to less effective cleaning and even potential damage to your dishwasher. Don't worry, there's still time to redeem yourself. By making a few simple changes, you can ensure your dishes come out sparkling clean every time. Take a moment to properly load your dishwasher, run the rinse and hold cycle instead of hand rinsing at the sink, use the right amount of detergent, and clean your filter regularly. Your dishwasher will thank you, and so will your dishes. Before we move on, make sure to subscribe to The Big Sweep for more great advice. And don't forget to ring the notification bell so you never miss an episode. Now back to business. Those dishwasher disasters might seem harmless to you, but they can wreak havoc on your poor dishwasher. Ignoring small issues can lead to bigger problems down the line. A minor leak today could turn into a flooded kitchen tomorrow. Overloading can strain the motor and break the racks from too much weight. When you cram too many dishes into the dishwasher, it can't clean effectively. The motor has to work harder, which can cause it to burn out prematurely. Plus, the weight of too many dishes can snap the racks, leading to costly replacements. Food scraps can clog the filter and spray arms, leading to poor cleaning. When the filter is blocked, water can't circulate properly, and your dishes come out dirty. Regularly cleaning the filter and spray arms ensures that your dishwasher runs smoothly and your dishes come out sparkling clean every time. Too much detergent can leave a filmy residue on your dishes. It's tempting to think that more detergent means cleaner dishes, but that's not the case. Excess detergent can create a soapy film that sticks to your dishes and glassware, making them look cloudy and unappealing. Always follow the manufacturer's recommendations for detergent use. And neglecting the filter? get ready for some serious stink. A dirty filter can harbor food particles and bacteria, leading to unpleasant odors. Regular maintenance, like cleaning the filter and running a dishwasher cleaner cycle, can keep your appliance smelling fresh and clean. These problems lead to costly repairs and even shorten the lifespan of your dishwasher. Nobody wants that. Regular maintenance and proper use can save you money in the long run. By taking care of your dishwasher, you can avoid expensive repairs and extend its life, ensuring it continues to serve you well for years to come. Don't worry, becoming a dishwasher hero is easier than you think. With just a few simple adjustments, you can transform your dishwashing routine and get sparkling clean results every time. Let's dive into some easy fixes that will make a big difference. Here's how to fix those common mistakes that might be holding you back from achieving dishwashing perfection. Space it out. Resist the urge to cram. Overloading your dishwasher can lead to poor cleaning results because water and detergent can't reach all the surfaces. Load dishes evenly, leaving space between them. This ensures that each dish gets the attention it deserves from the water jets. Think of it as giving each dish its own personal space to shine. Rinse and shine. Scrape the large particles from the dishes and load them up. Most dishwashers have a rinse-only or rinse-and-hold cycle. No need to stand at the sink rinsing dishes. The dishwasher can do a better job and it uses far less water. Just a dabble, do ya? Use the recommended amount of detergent. Less is more. Using too much detergent can leave a soapy residue on your dishes and even damage your dishwasher over time. Stick to the guidelines and you'll get the best results. You can also put a small amount of liquid or powdered detergent in the small side of the soap container. There is a pre-wash cycle at the start of any dishwasher's wash program, and that little bit of extra soap will work to start cleaning your dishes in the pre-wash cycle. Filter TLC. Clean the filter regularly. Once a week is ideal to prevent clogs and odors. A clean filter ensures that your dishwasher can do its job effectively, and it helps keep your kitchen smelling fresh. It's a small task that makes a big difference. A few simple changes can make a world of difference. By spacing out your dishes, giving them a quick rinse, using the right amount of detergent, and keeping your filter clean, you'll be well on your way to becoming a dishwasher hero. So go ahead, make these easy fixes and enjoy the satisfaction of perfectly clean dishes every time. Remember, your dishwasher is not a garbage disposal. It needs a little TLC now and then to keep it running smoothly. By making these very small changes, you'll extend the life of your appliance, save money on repairs in the future, and enjoy sparkling clean dishes every time you use it. Now that's a win-win-win. Leave us a comment below and let us know how much more your dishwasher loves you after making these changes. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to The Big Sweep for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.